9 ways to keep your nails clean and shiny. 9. Olive oil. Using a mixture of warm water and a few drops of olive oil, soak your nails. After a while, gently massage your cuticles and nails with warm olive oil. To get your nails back to their former glory, repeat the method every day. 8. Rose water. The natural pink hue on your nails may be sealed by applying rose water to them on a daily basis. Water. To begin with, taking a large amount of it will help you regain the shine on your nails. Second, washing your nails with warm water on a regular basis helps to keep them clean. 6. Baby oil. When your nails are regularly exposed to water, they get drier. So, with the aid of baby oil, seal in the natural moisture of your nails. To keep your nails from becoming dry and brittle, simply massage them with any decent quality baby oil every day. 5. Lemon juice. Another fantastic element for making your nails more gorgeous is this natural bleaching agent. It not only helps your nails seem glossy, but it also eliminates stains caused by dust, pollution, or any other chemical. 4. Cucumber. This is another fantastic natural element that improves the appearance of your nails. You may either rub a piece of cucumber on your nails every time you make a salad, or apply cucumber juice to your nails to make them shine like never before. 3. Don't bite. Biting your fingernails can cause damage to the nail bed, so avoid it. A minor cut along the fingernail might allow bacteria or fungus to enter, causing an infection. 2. Avoid acetone. Using acetone-based nail polish removers will deplete your nails of essential nutrients over time, leaving them brittle. 1. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly can help restore that shiny look. Simply massage your nails with a high-quality petroleum jelly after each bath and before going to bed. Thanks for watching. Click this next video to watch more amazing things.